Imagine walking into the airport and skipping the crowded gate area for a premium lounge without paying anything extra. This informational content is sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risk, such as price volatility and market risks. Before trading cryptocurrencies, do consider your risk appetite. Alright folks, so in today's video we are checking out the Crypto.com level up and particularly focusing on those airport lounge features. And guess what? I've actually used this airport lounge myself actually when I used to do a bit of traveling when I used to live in the UK. And I have to say, from 3 lounge experiences, I was actually blown away with how great they were. Great food at the buffet, really friendly staff on entry, and wow, it is just such a nice, stark contrast in luxury. It's just so much better. And to really just get that included within this level up here is just absolutely fantastic and something great that Crypto.com are doing. Now, the lounge passes themselves as well are also very easily accessible from within your Crypto.com app once you do have Level Up signed up to. Now, what I absolutely love about Crypto.com and its new Level Up program is that they make luxury travel potential accessible to the everyday user. You don't have to be rich and super wealthy and in the top 1% of earners anymore to reap some of the benefits here. Look at this. I mean, come on, we're talking about like $5 US per month to get involved with Level Up, really, to start getting toward that access of airport lounge when you are traveling. So if you're a regular traveler, maybe do a few trips a year even, it is totally worth it. Just take the load off, take the stress off. The benefits really do go beyond crypto. It really is about being more lifestyle driven and just upgrading your lifestyle. And there is absolutely no complicated setup for beginners and no annoying extra apps needed to be able to get this airport lounge access, as well as the other premium features. And even when you're not traveling, you're getting a lot of everyday features and benefits from Level Up. We're talking about Crow rewards and rebates that continue from when you are at home. You've got extremely high yield accounts that grow your savings passively in the background. And I'm telling you right now from personal experience, it certainly beats whatever savings interest you're getting at your bank currently. And like we mentioned at the start, the entry is affordable. We're talking around about $5 US to get in at that entry level to start making those life changes. I mean, come on, for $4.99 USD per month, and that's after a free trial, so you get to actually check it out and realize, wow, this is something that I should have been doing for a while. Come on, folks, $4.99, you cannot even get a coffee for that price. And I know a lot of y'all are getting a coffee every single day. So you're telling me you couldn't pay less per day for one coffee to get the airport lounge and all these great experiences. $4.99 to get all these amazing features, come on. And what I absolutely love is that there's no lock-in and you can easily, in the app, upgrade or cancel at any time. Within the app, you can also have stock and ETF bonuses. So long as you are a user from America, the USA, you can get access to that. And if you're questioning security, well, I've got to tell you something. Crypto.com are objectively the most secure and trusted in the cryptocurrency space. They are the most heavily regulated, they got the most licenses, and they are continuing to strive for more and more in the space, giving the cryptocurrency space a great name. So what are you waiting for? Take your wealth to the next level and your traveling too with Level Up. And remember, for just $4.99 per month, you can get signed up to Level Up with the link at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. Upgrade your lifestyle today. Start saving more money, making more money, being more financially savvy, and getting better travel benefits like that airport lounge access premium. At the very least, you can get started with your 30-day free trial first as well before upgrading. Fantastic. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notifications if you're going to get signed up to Level Up, and let us know what tier you're going to get on, because we're going to be covering a lot more content like this and you wouldn't want to miss it. All right. So again, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.